see the sleeve? It's a block pleated sleeve base. Can you see? Very beautiful. You see? So nice. So simple to make. It's something you can make yourself. Nice meeting you again. You're welcome back to my channel. Thanks for always being there. Thanks for your support by giving it a thumbs up, giving my tutorial or my videos a thumbs up. Thank you very much. And if this is your first time you watch my tutorial, you are highly welcome to this great channel, Tosban Fashion Channel, a channel where you can feel free to ask questions as regards cutting and sewing, and it shall be attended to. Now, what I have today, all you need to do, for those of you watching my tutorial for the very first time, is to click on the subscribe button. You like my videos and share my videos as well, and always put on your notification bell so that each time I release a new video you can have access to it. Thank you very much. Now, like I said, this is what I have for you today. This block pleated and sleeve. Can you see how beautiful it is? Can you see? It's so nice. So nice and very, very beautiful. You see? And it's very easy to make. All you need to do is to watch this tutorial to the end. I want to promise that at the end of this tutorial, you will gain better. So, this is what I have for you today. So, let's go. Now, the length of the sleeve is 11 inches. That's the length of the sleeve. Then the round neck, the round sleeve is 11 inches as well. So, from the length, which is 11, I'm going to deduct 4 inches from it, or 3 inches from it. So, it means the sleeve, the real sleeve length, I'm going to cut 8 inches. While the design pleated block or block pleated, whatever, what I'm going to attach to the base of the sleeve is going to be 3 inches for the length of it. So right now, I shall be cutting the real sleeve first, after which I make the block pleated fabric. So I'm going to fold into 4 to cut out the sleeves at a time. So I'm going to fold into 4. So right here, I shall be marking 7.5 as the width. So I quickly connect, make a straight line downward. So from this edge, I'm going to mark 3.5 inches downward. I have it here. So all I need to do is to make my curve. For the sleeve. Then the round sleeve, I said, is 11 inches, and 11 inches divided by 2 gives me 5.5 inches plus 1 inch as my seam allowance. I have it here. So in marking this, I have 8 here plus 1. So I'm going to connect these lines together. So I will quickly cut. So our sleeve is ready. Remember, it is right side to right side. So I'm going to reshape the front armhole. So I'm going to keep this aside. Then for the pleated one at the base of the sleeve, since I have my round sleeve to be 11 inches, I'm going to multiply that 11 inches by 3. So 11 times 3 gives me 33. So the width of what I shall be cutting will be 33 by 3 inches for the length. So by the time I'm done, I will show you. So I've cut it. Each of these is these are the sleeve. What I'm going to use as the block pleated, whatever, design for the sleeve, the round sleeve. So I've decided to make it double. because this very fabric, I'm going to use it as an interface. So I won't cut it out. The next thing I shall be doing is to cut my stay. Now the stay is going to be half of the length. So I shall be cutting a stay of length of 3 inches, but maintains the same width of 33 inches. So I've attached my stay. The next thing right now is to fold it. Having folded it, I'm going to stitch this edge up. The same thing will be applicable to the second one. I'll fold it, then I stitch the edge up. So right now, I'm going to start the marking. Here I'm going to mark 1 inch. Then I mark 2 inches. So it's going to be 1 inch against 2 inches up to the edge, from edge to edge. Now, having marked it from edge to edge, 1 inch against 2 inches, now I'm going to transfer all what I have here to the base here. As you can see, I've transferred all what I have here to the base here. So the next thing now is to take the fabric and fold it outward. I'm folding it outward, not inward, outward, making sure that this mark here matches with this one here. So I will stitch, I will leave, I will come to the one of 2 inches. That's exactly what I shall be doing all through to the only the edge. I won't touch the base. Now as you can see, I've stitched it. The 2 inches interval is what I fold like this, making sure that this mark matches with the one here. Then I stitch all round. So the next thing right now is to open and make sure I have equal length both on the right hand side and the left hand side. So I will press it down like so, then I stitch. So the same thing I will be doing to the rest. So as you can see, we have achieved our aim after stitching it flat. This is what I got, and to measure it, I have from this place, I have my 11 inches. Can you see? So this extra one here is going to be our seam allowance, where we are going to stitch. Then I fix it to the sleeve itself. So that is that on this block pleated sleeve. If you have any question regarding this, just kindly drop your question in the comment section and it will be attended to. Thank you very much. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel and put on your notification bell so that each time I release a new video, you can have access to it. Thanks for watching. And for those of you that have subscribed before, always appreciate my work. Give it a support by clicking on the liking button, and I will appreciate that. Bye for now.